Oh, oh my goodness, no. Is Dollar Tree actually where it's at? Like, this is gonna take a long time. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be testing out Dollar Tree natural hair products. Now, I'm kind of nervous because, as you guys know, I really don't like to break my hair off or dry my hair out or damage my hair. So I don't know why I thought it would be a good idea to buy hair products from the dollar store. But I've seen a lot of people saying that they actually work. Hopefully they're right. So I got 3 products from the dollar store. And the first one is the Lusty Naturals. Oh, so this is actually for natural hair. Interstate. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Lusty Naturals Dry Scalp and Hair Conditioner and Co-Wash. Soothes itchy scalp, moisturizes and repairs, free of parabens. Oh, that's good. There's no parabens in it. Okay, so maybe because there's no parabens, maybe it's safe. It says, after shampooing and rinsing hair, apply and massage into wet hair from roots to ends. Leave in for 5 minutes, rinse and towel dry. Oh, that was for conditioning. For co-washing, apply to wet hair and gently massage through into hair for 2 minutes, rinse and lightly comb through with white tooth comb. Okay, I think we can do it. That one doesn't look that sketchy, and it says it has shea butter in it. Manoi oil? I don't know what that is, but we'll try it. Let's see how it smells. It smells good at first, but then there's like this really like pungent smell afterwards. It smells very chemical-ish. So if you're really sensitive to scent, don't get this. Okay, then the next thing I got was this 3-minute treatment, and it has no sulfates, and it's the Daily Defense Coconut Oil and Vitamin E Deep Conditioner, and it has frizz defense. And as you guys can tell, I definitely need some frizz defense. Actually, I kind of like when my hair's frizzy, but whole nother video. And then also I really need to wash my hair because yesterday, if you guys saw on my Instagram, I tried these fringe bangs, and I did like hair extensions in a bun with the bangs, and I used some of the Got To Be to slick down my edges, and I definitely need to wash my hair after that because I don't want my edges to break off. And then the last product that I got from the dollar store was the Bolero No Breaks Hair Mask with mango butter and castor seed. Oh wait, Bolero Beverly Hills. And this one doesn't say, oh no, it does, paraben free. I was about to say, oh no, what if it has parabens? And it says directions: apply thoroughly onto clean wet hair and let sit for 2 to 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. So now it's time to actually try out the products. Okay, so first I had to change my shirt so that I don't destroy that shirt, and I had to get a towel so I don't flood the bathroom. But I'm probably gonna just test the products so I don't have to like do my entire wash day routine. And then after this video, I'll actually wash and detangle my hair because this is gonna take a long time. I think it's been like 2 weeks since I washed my hair. Okay. What you know about rolling down in the deep end? I'm just gonna stand on the towel because I don't want the towel to break off my hair if it's on my shoulders. Okay, so let's section 3 pieces for each product. And then I'm gonna tie my hair back with this scrunchie. Did I even think this through? Do I even have any more hair elastics in here? Okay, I don't feel like looking for them, so let's just tuck this. Let's just tuck this here. Okay, now the first thing I'm gonna do is wet the section. And also when you wet your sections, you want to make sure that you're actually wetting the roots, because a lot of times if you're not careful, then your roots will actually just stay dry. Okay, so now my section is all finger detangled and moisturized with water. So now let's first try the co-wash, the extremely strong smelling co-wash. It doesn't really smell that bad. It just has this like extremely strong smell. Well, it's like very watery and like slippery. Wait. Wait, why do I like this? Why do I actually like this? It's like, I had a feeling that because it was so slippery, it was actually going to like be really good. Wait, this is actually great. And it doesn't even smell that strong like when it's on your hair. It just smells strong if you're like smelling the bottle. What the? This is actually great. And I don't know if it's because the other products that used to be in my hair since the last time I watched it, but why is my hair like actually curling up? Okay, so honestly, this is like a 10 out of 10. Like, I'm not even kidding. Well, I'm not sure yet because you also have to take into account like if your hair dries out throughout the week after using products. Because a lot of times I'll think that products are really good the first time I'll use them, but then like 3 days later my hair is like extremely dry and it feels like it's all gonna break off. So hopefully that doesn't happen with this because I really like this. Wait, I might actually use that product to like detangle all of my hair before I wash it because I really need to detangle my hair. And now I'm just twisting it up so that I can try the next product. And everybody's watching her, but she's looking at you. Ooh, ooh. And it's only $1. I'm literally gonna buy that again. I'm not even kidding. I'm being 100% serious. I'm buying that again. And wow, my shirt isn't even all wet. Usually when I do my hair, my shirt gets completely soaked. And you can tell like even the twist with that product in it, it looks so shiny. Wait, I'm actually really happy with that product. Is Dollar Tree actually where it's at? Like, I mean, I already love Dollar Tree, but even their hair products are good. Okay, now on to the next section. Oops, didn't mean to grab that. Oh, that is so disturbing. When you like moisturize one section and then you realize how dry the rest of your hair actually was. I really needed moisturizing to tangle my hair. This is bad. Okay, now on to, which one should I do first? I'll do this one first. So let's see how this smells. Oh my goodness. No, why does it smell like that? And why is there like no product in here? I don't know if you guys can tell, but like, okay, this is the top. Like why, it takes all the way down here to reach the product. That wasn't even proper English. I don't know how to say that, but like it's not at the top. Like this whole, the product starts here. What? Okay, let's just go. I can't smell that again, but I've already committed. Okay, let's wet the hair. I'm literally just tempted to only use the first product, but I have to test out the other one because I know that the first product will work so well. Now that we have the wet hair, let's take all the hair off of our hands. Oh, also today I changed my channel name to my name. So hopefully you guys weren't too like alarmed because some of you were alarmed. I actually wanted to change my channel name for a very long time, but I was just too chicken to do it. Okay, so here we go. I'm scared. Ugh. Okay, not as slippery as the first one. The first one felt like it was really like absorbing into my hair. This one feels like it's just sitting on top of my hair. It is a deep conditioner. I was gonna say if it's a hair mask, then it probably should do that. But it's a deep conditioner, so I feel like it shouldn't. I don't know how I feel about this. It just feels like I just plopped a bunch of stuff on top of my hair. It doesn't feel like it's really like penetrating the hair shaft at all. Maybe if I did it on clean hair, it would be a difference, but I doubt it. I think that's as good as it's gonna get. Yeah. I mean, it's not, like I don't really have anything like bad to say about it, but I also don't really have anything good to say about it. So if you're in a bind, like me, and you wanna get some products from the Dollar Tree bars, then if you wanna get that product, probably no harm done. No, why do I have a knot? Not the knot. Anything but the knot. I saw someone on Instagram Reels yesterday who, like, she blow dried her hair and her hair was like, literally like mid-thigh length and extremely thick and healthy. I'm like, can this be me? Because I can't really complain because I used to have like collarbone length for like 3 years. So I probably shouldn't complain about wanting long hair because now I do have like way longer hair than I ever thought I would have, but I'm trying to be like that girl on Instagram. So maybe I should stop using questionable Dollar Tree products. Good thing I put this towel on the floor because this is dripping all over the towel. See, that's why I like the first product because it wasn't making it drip. And you can tell that it's not penetrating my hair shaft because it's all coming out of my hair in like the white residue. Yeah, you can see the difference in the twists. This one's so like elongated. And this one's so like condensed. But it's also the difference of a conditioner and and a deep conditioner, so maybe that's why. Now for the last section in the last Dollar Tree product. Uh-oh, is this Tangles? No! What is this? Whenever I get to Tangles, then I just hold the top of it with 2 fingers and like glide my thumb against it. Like not even really like separating the tangle, just like push your thumb against it and it will just naturally untangle itself. And start at the bottom of the tangle. And just keep adding water to your hands. And whatever you do, do not comb it out. Or if you can't get it out completely with this technique, then comb it out after you do this as much as you can. Because sometimes the tangles are so fine that you can't even get them out with your fingers. There we go. The tangle has been eliminated. I want you to value your life. Wait, no. What is this? This does not feel right over here. No. More tangles. Okay, then I'm just gonna wet this section again and do the same thing. Oops. What? What is this? Where even is the tangle? I'm so confused. Oh, here it is. Can I cheat and use the first product to get this out? Oh wait, I might not have to. I think I will. Yes, okay. Thank goodness. Okay, whoa. Why is my hair dry right there? Strange. Does that mean I have heat damage if my hair won't get wet? Or am I making that up? Because why is it frizzy right here? And it's like not getting wet. Hopefully I don't have heat damage. Okay, my hair's shedding a lot because it has been a hot minute since I did it. Okay. There's so many fumes right now in my bathroom from this product. Again, if you don't like strong scent, probably don't get these. Okay, now let's try the hair mask. Why can't I? I can't open it. Ooh, tinfoil. Looks like yogurt. Please don't smell bad. I'm literally begging you. Okay, it doesn't smell bad. Okay, okay, wait. Hear me out. It literally smells like when you have like Fruity Pebbles and then the milk gets Fruity Pebble-ish. Fruity Pebble-ish. That is what this smells like. Like cereal milk. Okay. Let's just use it so I can not gag. Okay, the application, pretty smooth. Wait, I actually like this. I think, okay, it definitely smells like cereal milk though, even when it's on my hair. Ooh. Oh, I do not like the smell when it's on my hair. Oh. Okay, the smell aside, like this, wait. I was about to say that I like the application, but it's kind of feeling dry. Yep, this is definitely drying my hair. This is not it. But these are, again, this is a hair mask. So it's supposed to be washed out, like after 5 minutes. But I only like to use hair masks and deep conditioners that feel moisturizing even when they're on your hair. So I probably will not repurchase this. Let me try some more. A big glop. That was definitely too much. Wait, did I even get that tangle? What is this? Okay, there we go. Young love, I want you to value your light. I see that you're searching for peace of mind. Laugh, sister. Cry, sister. The smell aside, I do really like this. I can't sit here and lie. I do really like this hair mask. After adding more, but I probably will never repurchase just due to the smell. The smell is kind of unbearable. It smells like, okay, I used to like really keep up with all things BTS. And for some reason, this smell is like transporting me back to like 2018 when I always watched the Bangtan bombs. And I don't know. But I'm trying to remember, like, what does this smell like? Because it's not cereal milk that I'm thinking of. Something from 2018. I don't know. Wait, it might be a hair product I used to use. Because I remember back then I always did like Bantu knot outs and braid outs. Oh my goodness, I'm getting such a headache from this scent. My head is literally starting to hurt. Oh wow, this one's even more weighed down than the last one. But yeah guys, that was all the Dollar Tree products. Do I regret buying them? No and yes. No for the first one. This one is great. And I should have known because this one actually says naturals on it, so it's clearly made for natural hair. The other two, Wait, I just realized something. The second one has coconuts on it. Maybe that's why I didn't like it that much, because I hate using coconut oil on my hair. Am I serious? I literally told you guys that this had coconut oil in it, but it just never registered. Okay, now it's time for me to actually detangle the rest of my extremely dry, tangly hair. And it's time for me to hurry up and do it so that I can wash my hair and get rid of this scent headache. But thank you guys so much for watching, and comment below if you've ever tried dollar store hair products and if it was as bad as I just made it seem, or if I'm just being dramatic. And also make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and also make sure to follow my new YouTube Shorts channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.